How to turn off private chat notifications on REDnote app. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to turn off private chat notifications on REDnote app. So now, let's dive in. First of all you need to do is launch the REDnote app on your mobile device. Now here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom left corner. Again, tap on Settings. Here in the Settings, tap on Notification Settings. Now select Chat from Chat Notifications. To turn off private chat notifications on REDnote app, all you need to do is toggle the private chat option off, and there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.